Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look because I wanted to do something really bright and vibrant and out there and dramatic. So this is the look that I came up with and I'm in love with how it turned out and my nails match. So I hope that you enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Ofra Cosmetics Galaxy Signature Palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Stellar. Starting off with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to run this shadow through my crease, all the way into the inner part of my crease right here. I'm now going into Eclipse. Now picking up the shadow on my E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start packing this onto this outer half of my lid and then start slowly distributing that through my crease. And then picking up a little bit more to start intensifying this shadow. I always mention to you guys that I always start off with a little bit and then build my way up. It just makes it so much easier to blend and everything just looks really nice and clean. And then picking up Stellar again and now just sweeping that at the very high point just to make sure that everything is really blended. And now all along my lower lash line I'm applying Stellar with my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma. And now picking up Eclipse on my E15 Flat Definer Brush and applying this really close to my lash line and then sweeping that down to smoke it out. I'm going into Lottie London Eye Foil Metallic Eyeshadow Topper in Savage. I picked up a little bit of this liquid shadow on my EO6 Wing Liner Brush by Sigma, and I'm applying this right onto my crease where it kind of folds over my lid. So now I do that because when I relax my eye, you're still going to be able to see that cut crease peeking through. And now I'm going to go in with the wand and just start filling that in. And then out here, I'm just going to quickly, with my finger, blend that out into the shadow. And then patting on a little bit of Eclipse where that cut crease and shadow will meet just to help blend it out. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Psychedelic Sister. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Blinking Beauty Luxe Mink Lashes in Samantha. And that's the eye look done. Now for my lips, I'm going to go into this Buxom Baba Plump Shiny Lipstick in Taupe It Off. I love the shade of this and the formula, so I'm excited to try it out again. And that is it. This is the completed look of my bright purple sparkly half cut crease makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. The glitter shadow on my lid is so pretty. I love how it reflects that gold, but it has that purple base, so it really ties in with the entire look. I'm in love, and I hope that you guys liked it as well. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brushes with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!